Selena, Class 10, Chapter 20, Cylinder, Cone and Sphere, Surface Area and Volume. Cone. The solid obtained on revolving a right-angled triangle about one of its sides other than hypotenuse is called a cone or a right circular cone. AB is the height, BC is the radius of its base, and AC is the slant height L. Therefore, L square is equal to H square plus R square. Volume equal to 1 upon 3 pi R square H. Curved or lateral surface area pi R L. Total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus base area, which is equal to pi RL plus pi R square. Pi R is common, so pi R into L plus R. Total surface area is equal to pi R into L plus R. Exercise 20b, sum number 1. Find the volume of a cone whose slant height is 17 cm and radius of its base is 8 cm. Given slant height L 17 cm, radius R equal to 8 cm. We know L square is equal to R square plus H square. Therefore, H square equal to L square minus R square, which is equal to 17 square minus 8 square, equal to 289 minus 64, which is 225, equal to 15 square. H square equal to 15 square. Therefore, H is equal to 15. Volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi R square H. That is equal to 1 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into R into 8 into 8 into 15, which is equal to 7040 upon 7, equal to 1005.71 centimeter cube. Sum number 2. The curved surface area of a cone is 12,320 centimeters square. If the radius of its base is 56 centimeter, find its height. Curved surface area equal to 12,320 centimeters square. Radius of the base R equal to 56 centimeter. Slant height equal to L. Therefore, curved surface area pi RL equal to 12,320. Substitute the value. 22 by 7 into 56 into L equal to 12,320. Therefore, L is equal to 12,320 into 7 into 56 by 22 upon 56 into 22. Therefore, L equal to 70 centimeter. Height of the cone is equal to root of L square minus R square, which is equal to root of 70 square minus 56 square. 4900 minus 3136, which is equal to root of 1764. Height of the cone equal to 42 centimeter. Sum number 3. The circumference of the base of a 12 meter height conical tent is 66 meter. Find the volume of the air content in it. Circumference of a conical tent 66 meter. Height given H equal to 12 meter. Therefore, radius is equal to circumference upon 2 pi, which is equal to 66 into 7 upon 2 into 22, which is equal to 10.5 meter. Volume of air content means volume of a cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi R square H, which is equal to 1 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 upon 2 into 21 upon 2 into 12, which is equal to 1386 meter cube. Sum number 4. The radius and the height of a right circular cone are in ratio 5:12 and its volume is 2512 cubic centimeter. Find the radius and slant height of the cone. Pi equal to 3.14. The ratio between the radius and height equal to 5:12. Volume equal to 5212 cubic centimeter. Therefore, let radius equal to 5x and height equal to 12x and slant height equal to L. Therefore, slant height L square equal to R square plus H square. L square equal to 5x the whole square plus 12x the whole square equal to 25x square plus 144x square equal to 169x square. L square equal to 169x square. Therefore, L equal to 13x. Volume equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h, 1 upon which is equal to 2512. Substitute the value 1 upon 3 pi 3.14 r square 5x the whole square h 12x equal to 2512. 1 upon 3 3.14 into 300x cube is equal to 2512 implies x cube equal to 2512 into 3 upon 3.14 into 300, which is equal to 2512 into 3 into 100 upon 314 into 300 equal to 8. X cube equal to 8 implies x equal to 2. Therefore, radius equal to 5x equal to 5 to the 10 centimeter. Height 12x equal to 24 centimeter. Slant height 13x equal to 26 centimeter. Sum number 5. Two right circular cone x and y are made x having 3 times the radius of y and y having half the volume of x. Calculate the ratio between the height of x and y. Let the radius of the cone y be x. X is 3 times of y. Therefore, radius of cone x equal to 3r. Let the volume of cone y be v. Y is half. Therefore, x will be double. Therefore, volume of cone x equal to 2v. Let h1 be the height of x and h2 be the height of y. Therefore, volume of cone equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone of x equal to 1 upon 3 pi into 3r the whole square h1, which is equal to 1 upon 3 pi 9 r square h1, which is equal to 3 pi r square h1. Volume of cone y equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h2. Ratios of the volume of cone x upon volume of cone y equal to 2v upon v equal to 3 pi r square h1 upon 1 upon 3 pi r square h2, which is equal to 2 upon 1 equal to 3h1 into 3 upon h2 equal to 9h1 upon h2. h1 upon h2 equal to 2 upon 1 into 1 upon 9, which is equal to 2 upon 9. Therefore, ratio of their heights is equal to 2:9. Sum number 6. The diameters of two cones are equal. If their slant height are in ratio 5:4, find the ratios of their curved surface area. Let the radius of cone equal to r. Ratios between their slant height is 5:4. Therefore, slant height of first cone 5x, slant height of second cone 4x. Curved surface area of first cone pi r l, which is equal to pi r into 5x, which is equal to 5 pi r x. Curved surface area of second cone pi r l, which is equal to pi r into 4x equal to 4 pi r x. Ratio between them 5 pi r x upon 4 pi r x equal to 5:4. Sum number 7. These are two cones. The curved surface area of one is twice that of the other. The slant height of the latter is twice that of the former. Find the ratio of their radii. Let the slant height of first cone be 1. later is twice. Therefore, slant height of second cone 12. Radius of first cone equal to R1. Radius of second cone equal to R2. Then curved surface area of first cone equal to pi R1 L. Curved surface area of second cone is pi R2 12 equal to 2 pi R2 L. According to the given condition, curved surface area of first cone is twice of the second cone. Therefore, 2 pi R1 L equal to 2 into 2 pi R2 L. Pi RL R1 L equal to 4 pi R2 L. R1 equal to 4 R2. R1 upon R2 equal to 4:1. Therefore, R1 is to R2 equal to 4:1. Sum number 8. A heap of a wheat is the form of a cone of diameter 16.8 meter and height 3.5 meter. Find its volume. How much cloth required just to cover the heap? Diameter of cone 16.8 meter. Therefore, radius equal to 8.4 meter. Height h given is 3.5 meter. The volume of heap 1 upon 3 pi r square h, which is equal to 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 8.4 into 8.4 into 3.5 equal to 258.72 meter cube. Slant height L equal to root r square plus h square equal to root 8.4 square plus 3.5 square equal to root 70.56 plus 12.25 equal to root of 82.81 equal to 9.1 meter. Slant height L equal to 9.1 meter. Cloth required or curved surface area equal to pi RL equal to 22/7 into 8.4 into 9.1 equal to 240.24 meter square.